In our video this time we're gonna be discussing how to find amount in 2022, for example. With code P01, how many will be displayed here automatically, but first we create that code in the form of a list. How? Click Data. Then select Data Validation. Select the Settings tab. Then select the list. Then click this icon. Next, because we wanted to display the code, select this code. Next, click on this one. Then OK. Then it will perform code in the form of a list like this. Next, when we choose this code, for example P001, then in 2022 will appear later, the number is 120. Then P001 in 2023 will appear 300, so on. How to? We use the formula OR index function and match function. We just make it right away. Well, here we do it. Equals index, double click. Then we select this whole table. Next, we give F for yes, or we press F for on the keyboard, then comma. Then we type match like this. Then double click. Next, we click this one. Yes, because we will choose the code later. I click this. Don't forget to press F4 to lock it in. Then comma. Then here, we're gonna choose next is the code. From here, well, like that. The title is selected yes code. Then press F4. Next comma. Then we choose this one. Double click only. OK. Then comma. We use again match. Yeah. OK, we click this one. Year. Well, for this year, we're not pressing F4 because she always changes later, which is 2023, 2024 changing. Then don't we press F4. Just go straight into a comma. This is a comma, yeah, this is a comma. OK. Next, we choose year from here from the code. Well, like that. Then press F4. Next comma. We choose this one. Double click only. Then close the bracket. Then close the bracket for this one. For the index, we close bracket. Next, enter. True the result. For the P001, that in 2020 to true 120. Yeah, right, in 2023 try S. Just double click here like this. True 300. In the year 2024, true 132. If we change the code right here, he will automatically change. In 2022, 123. Correct yes with code P002. Then in the year 2023 is 112. With code P002 then. In the year 2024 is 234. With code P002. If you replace this 1 2, the results will also change. If we change the code, for example this, changed right. Well, it's pretty easy, right guys? Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.